Hey, it's Faye, and this is part of my mini home improvement series. Recently, I uploaded a couple of videos for heat pump installation rebates here in Massachusetts because I want to show more creatorpreneurs like myself, like you, how accessible it can be to consider these improvements for your homes. That's your primary place of work, am I correct? So soon I'll be adding solar company reviews and hopefully installations too as part of the greater Feisworld media intent and channel. I hope you'll like it. And today I'm presenting a special, which is how I managed to install an on-ground pool in our backyard. In just a second, I'll explain to you what an on-ground pool is. By the way, the pool you're looking at right now is 20 by 40 feet with a 16 by 32 swim area. This has been a childhood dream since, I would say, the 1980s. But living in Beijing, means that having a backyard pool will always be just a dream. Even after living in Boston, Massachusetts for 15 years, public or gym swimming pools have been the only ones available to me. Not until I bought a home in central Massachusetts in 2020, this project finally became a reality. But not so fast. In-ground pools, probably the ones you're familiar with, are not only expensive, but they have become even more expensive since the pandemic. But the general wait time, as of recording this video, is about 2 years. I had to look elsewhere. Kayak pools weren't even on my radar. I frankly don't even know what it was. But I found a local installer who's had my heart set on these pools. In this video, I finally have a chance to show you what an on-ground kayak pool looks like. So instead of a 4 feet above ground pool, you can see it's recessed about 2 feet below ground and 2 feet exposed above ground and integrated with my deck. When I searched on YouTube, there weren't enough videos showing me the process and what the final product actually looks like. By the way, the company I'm working with was able to finish installation after 1.5 days. This is with a recess, or else it would have been just 1 day. Turns out it's really important to work with the right companies when it comes to installing these pools. As always, I can only recommend the brands I use and trust. So if you happen to live in the northeast of the United States, just drop me an email in the video description below and I'll connect you with a company. Their services and maintenance are great too, beyond the installation. But what you don't see in this video is the fact that I also purchased a highly efficient heater for the pool. Given the drawn-out process of obtaining a permit where I am, we had to wait nearly 1.5 months to begin installation. So by mid-September here in the Northeast, it was time for a heater. On the companion blog post you will find in the video description, I will list the exact heater I purchased and all the accessories that truly made a big difference in owning the pool in general, especially if you live in a cold climate. Since owning the pool, I have been swimming every single day, inviting close families and friends over to enjoy with us too. So keep on creating my creatorpreneurs friends. Let me know how you like this type of videos where I get to share a corner of my life with you.